you.
Are you familiar with
Go ahead.
the periodic table of fictional elements?
Oh, well,
It's online. Go
Get
check it
out.
out. Yes, it's all there.
I gotta look
So Finkillium is there.
Finkillium.
Finkillium, that's an element on the original I Dream a Genie. They needed an ingot of Finkillium. There is the stuff that was in the Absent-Minded Professor.
Flubber.
Flubber's on the periodic table, and it's full. They got a full periodic table, so I love it. Oh, they also have Unobtanium from
Avatar.
Avatar.
That's Avatar.
So all these elements are there. So people have thought about how one might organize them. I can tell you this. One of the remarkable things about this universe and the periodic table of elements in particular is that from element to element, the properties can be so different from one another that it is not completely crazy that you just have an element that has all the properties of vibranium. You know, you can take a cubic inch of gold and hammer it so thin that you could like gild an entire football field with it. So gold is the most malleable element.
Right.
And that's why you gild things with gold.
Right, yeah.
Okay, because you don't take much of it.
Yeah.
It looks like you have a lot.
I mean, you can make it so thin that you can actually brush it onto surfaces and gold leafing.
Yes, you get gold leaf. Okay,
Right.
So you look at the diversity of properties of elements on the periodic table. Not only that, the diversity of molecules you can make with the elements.
Wow.
Here we have sodium, which is a metal soft enough that you can cut with a knife, and it's poisonous and it'll explode if you put it in contact with water. Add chlorine to it, a deadly gas, and you have table salt. Okay? I have oxygen,
Gotta
which
love that.
promotes combustion. Then I have hydrogen, an explosive gas. Put them together, you make water that puts out fire.
Right.
So this diversity of properties that tells you that vibranium is one of the most inventive, realistic things you can think of on there. It's got all these properties that nothing else has.
Right.
That's true with anything else that has properties that nothing else has. I've got a friend and colleague of mine from the American Museum of Natural History